Roses, it's your girl, Russell naman. And for today's video ay turok sa inyo yung tubad na kinoreograph ng Adhika. So, bago tayo mag-umpisa, isi-mirrored ko yung video na to. Okay, so first step is naka-bend yung inyong legs and yung body. So, nakaganto kayo. And yung inyong kamay is naka-close na ganto. And 1, 2. Okay, so 1, 2. Okay, so yung inyong legs, 1, 2. Okay, so close, then open, close, open. Okay, so 1, 2. Then after nyan is tatalan kayo, 3, 4. Okay, so pagka 3 is aangat nyo yung inyong right leg, 3, then down, then angat, down. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so yung 3, 4, hakbang nyo yung inyong left leg, then angat yung right leg, then down, hakbang, angat, down. Okay, so yung inyong kamay naman, i-bend nyo papunta dito sa chest, then palikod, chest, then palikod. Okay, so, tak, tak. Okay, so countings muna tayo. 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4. Then after nyan is, hampas nyo or itatap nyo yung inyong kamay dito sa tuhod nyo. Tak, then down, then tak, tak. Okay, so, tap, then down, then angat, down. Okay, so yung kamay nyo, ipapaganon nyo lang, parang mag-ihagis kayo. So, titingala kayo, tak, then angat din yung inyong right leg, then down nyo. Okay, so, tak, tak, tak. Okay, so countings muna tayo. 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, so yung sa part na 7, 8 is i-bend nyo yung inyong right leg. Okay, so bend papunta dito sa left side. Okay, so yung inyong right hand, pagkapunta dito is i-bend nyo siya. Tak, then angat, tak, angat. Okay, so 1, 2. Okay, so countings tayo. 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, so next step naman is iaangat nyo yung inyong right leg, then down lang yan, then kalma lang yung galaw nyo, okay? So, yung inyong balikat and hand is gaganyan lang siya. Okay, so yung ulo nyo is tatango-tango lang kayo, parang sasabay kayo sa groove ng kanta. Okay, so tak, tak, then after nyan is ibibend nyo yung inyong left leg. So 1, 2. Okay, so left, right. Okay, so ititiptoe nyo lang yung inyong paang ganito and ibibend yung inyong left leg papunta dito sa right side, then yung inyong right leg naman papunta dito sa left side. Okay, so left, right. Okay? So, 1, 2, 3, 4. Then, after nyan is, para kayong magra-run ng mabilis, then, tak, run, tak. Okay? So, 4 na beses nyo gagawin nyo. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay? So, yung inyong kamay naman is, una, 1, 2, 3, then, left. Okay? So, una, right, then, left, then shake left, shake right. Okay, so yung inyong kamay naka-cross, shake left, shake right. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, so countings tayo. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Is yung butterfly footwork na maraming nahirapan at pati ako ay nahirapan din. So, yung inyong left leg is nakaslant siyang ganito. So, ito is nakatiptoe na ganyan. Okay? So, ito is didikit dito, then slant, dikit, slant, dikit. Okay? So, itong right leg nyo naman is yung inyong heel, yung nakadikit sa floor. Okay? So, nakaslant yung inyong left leg. So, pagkadikit nito is angat nyo yung inyong right leg. Okay? So, parang tapon nyo siyang paganyan, then down. Okay? So, nakaslant, dikit, angat, down. Slant, dikit, angat, down, slant. Okay? So, yung inyong katawan is medyo naka-bend kayo para mas mabalance nyo yung sarili nyo. Okay? So, tak, 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 tak. Okay? So, medyo mabigat yung katawan ko ngayon, pero ituturo ko sa inyo to. Okay? Okay? So, naka-slant, tak, then slant, tak, slant, tak. Okay? So, yung inyong kamay naman is itatap nyo ganito sa chest nyo, then naka-ganto naman. Okay? So, slant, tak, 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 then tak, tak, tak. Okay, so, kada galaw nung inyong kamay is 2 count. So, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, so, yung 7, 8 pwedeng nakaganto, or yung 5, 6 pwede din nakaganto, or nakaganyan. Depende sa inyo kung ano yung gusto nyong gawin, or saan kayo mas comfortable. Okay, so, yung inyong legs is 2 beses nyo rin gagawin. So, 1, 2, okay? So, yung inyong kamay, nakaganto. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, so next up naman is i-cross nyo yung inyong arms. Okay? So, pwedeng nakaganto, pwedeng nakaganyan. Okay? So, mas prefer ko yung nakaganto. So, yung inyong paa naman is naka-opposite na galaw yan. Okay? So, tak, tak, tak. Okay? So, yung inyong left foot is nakaangat yung toes, and ito naman is naka-tiptoe. Okay? So, nakaganyan, then baba, then tak, baba, tak, baba, then tak. Okay? So, opposite siya. Pag ito is nakaangat, yung toes nyo dito, is dito naman sa side is nakaangat yung toes ng inyong right foot. Okay? So, tak and tak. Okay? So, tak, tak, tak. So, yung inyong kamay is na-cross, tak and tak. Then, after nyan, ikot nyo lang yung kamay nyo, then, tak. Okay? So, i-close nyo lang siyang ganito, and parang medyo ibabounce nyo yung inyong neck. So, tak and... Okay, so, counting tayo. 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4. So, that's it for today's video. Kung natunan nyo to, just click the thumbs up button, subscribe to my channel, and click the notification bell to be updated. And don't forget to follow me on my social media accounts. And see you guys on my next video. Bye!